Here we have one word, which is clustering. This word consists of 10 letters written in different font size, different color, and different characteristics, and this was intended for the sake of explanation. In this way, we put each letters have the same color into the same group. What we have done is called grouping based on color. Back to our initial state, and now we are grouping based on the font size. So we have letters of small font size to the left and letters of bigger font size to the right. We are grouping based on the font size. One more time. Now we are grouping based on the letter in its uppercase or lowercase. So we have uppercase letters to the left and lowercase letters to the right. For last time, we are grouping now on the phonetic or the letter sound. So we have consonant letters to the left and the vowel letters to the right. One more example, we have company of 13 employees work in different departments and each one receive different salary. Let's differentiate between these employees based on the gender. So we have female group to the right and male group to the left. Back to our initial state, and now we are differentiate between them according to the salary each one receive. So if we took $96,000 as a threshold, we have highly paid employees to the right who receive $96,000 or above, and lower paid employees to the left. For last time, we can differentiate between them according to the department each one works in. So we have data analytics department, call center department, and accounting department. So what a classification is? A classification is to group objects into several categories or classes based on the similarity they share. This similarity could be in color, could be in size, maybe in shape. Also could be in the salary each one receives. So we have highly paid and lower paid. Even more, it could be in species. So we can categorize them into elephant class, dogs class, cats class, and dogs class. So classification is to group objects based on whatever similarity they share. And now let's connect what we have learned into our Jupyter notebook to make it more powerful and more explained. Here we are. For the sake of saving time, I've created the letters table for you. And here the fields, the letter field, the color of that letter, red, blue, or green, the lowercase, a Boolean, so it can true or false, the font size, the phonetic, so it can be vowel or consonant. And I've inserted the data described in our example. Now we can think of the classification process as a group by clause in an SQL statement. If we run this statement, we have blue group, green group, and red group. Also, we can classify based on the font size. So we have letters of big size and letters of small font size. One more time, we can classify based on the case of that letter in its lowercase or uppercase. By running this example, it will result in lowercase group and uppercase group. And here is the phonetic example. So on running this statement, we have consonant group and vowel group. And lastly, here is the employees example. So we took $96,000 as a threshold to differentiate between employees. And we have lower paid group and we have highly paid group. That's all for now. In our next session, we'll dive deeper into the classification and visualizing our data using scikit-learn and matplotlib. Bye and take care.